Bullard Buzz!
Welcome back to episode 14, season 7 of the Bullard Buzz. I am your host, Jack Jeter, and here we go. The archery team went to state in its first year. Here's Hutch Campbell with that story.
Bullard's first-year archery program sent some archers to state for the first time in our school's history. 11 students were sent to state this past Friday, March 20th in San Antonio, including seniors Bryson Nix, Lauren Bryant, and Emma Crimes. Here are their results. We had 5 people shoot their personal best, including Claire Starks, Ansley Pruitt, Kinley Vining, Lauren Bryant, and our top scorer with a score of 261, Pierce Wilder. Coach Hancock did a great job with his first-year archery program. Let's take a deeper dive into why he started it.
Just a challenge to help the kids in another role, teach them some life lessons through the sport of archery, and you don't have to be athletic, you just have to be determined.
Thank you, Coach Hancock. With the Bullard Buzz, I'm Hutch Campbell.
Thanks, Hutch. Testing season is upon us, so here are some tips and tricks for you to make sure you get great scores on your exams.
Really the best tools that you're going to have are any of the tools that your teachers have carefully put together and provided for you. Most all of the teachers that are teaching AP or an EOC course are working very hard to make sure that they pick review materials that will be helpful to their students, and I just encourage you to use them and utilize the resources that you have. Make sure that any technology you're allowed to use, you're familiar with. I would not stay up all night studying. What you need is a clear mind. So do something maybe a little bit fun. Go get a treat for yourself the night before. Go get an ice cream or something. And then get a good night's sleep, because you're going to need your brain to be functioning at its peak ability. Talk to your teachers. Make sure that they know where you are worried. If you're concerned about your performance, talk to your teacher, see if they can help relieve that concern, because maybe they have just one more thing that you could do, or one more piece of advice that's pertinent to that particular subject.
Choir has had an outstanding year under first-year director Jason Womack. Here's Tommy Kovarik with more.
Recently, Bullard Choir earned superior ratings and a sweepstakes after competing at the concert and sight reading competition. This is a rather prestigious and important competition for the choir due to how rigorous the rules and expectations of the judges are. Students are expected to memorize the pieces they perform and be able to improvise.
Specifically, concert and sight reading evaluation is like the STAR test for choir. We work all year on our musical skills, our reading ability, our tone and musicianship, and the evaluation is to see how, as a program, we're doing for the choir.
Next up is how the first year at Bullard High has been going for the choir teacher, Jason Womack. He says that it is going good, although there are still some things to get used to, along with how he is transitioning from a big school to a smaller school.
I'm excited about being here and building the choir program at Bullard. Seeing how excellent we can make it, and how good we can make it, and how much fun we can have with it as well.
He's determined to build up the Bullard Choir to be the strongest it's ever been. Lastly, for the Bullard Choir is its upcoming concert. It will be held on Saturday, May 9th at 7 p.m. in the Bullard High School Auditorium. With the Bullard Buzz, this is Tommy Kovarik.
Thanks, Tommy. That's all for this week's episode of the Bullard Buzz. I've been your host, Jack Jeter, and remember, Pertho Nation, rise up.